Welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about our sticky navigation bar. Previously, we discussed about the bottom navigation bar. As you can see, we have it here on our website. So you can see our website to be at the bottom. Our nav bar to be at the bottom. So today we'll be discussing about sticky. Previously, we discussed about the top, the bottom. Today we're discussing about the sticky. So you can check my previous tutorial on this for you to know how far we have gone. So previously I created this in our last tutorial, so we don't have any modification to add or to do in our HTML file. So now let's go to our CSS file that will be able to add some CSS property. So now this is what we need to do. The UL, our unordered list, which we set to be at the bottom. So now we are going to change it. The position of our UL, which contain the navigation bar, we are going to change it to sticky. Let me say sticky. You can see it has changed. So let me make it sticky. So now you see we have it here and the bottom. So let's change it. Let's change this to top and see what we have. Let's change this to top. Now you see it still remains the same, but now let me show you. It is just as if everything is just the same, but it is different. Now let me show you. Now you see. Now as you can see we're having a space here, the sticky navigation bar. So immediately I scroll up and I'm hitting at the top of the page. You can see. So now above our sticky navigation bar, the text we have here, we can have some other elements at the top. You understand? But immediately it gets to our nav bar gets to the top. You understand? So now it's going to stop moving, and then we have some other elements to be at the page to be at the downside of it. So this is the end of today's tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're going to discuss something more on our nav bar. So thank you.